There's a reason for everything that happens in your life. The Almighty will always put you where you need to be. Trust His plans though you may not understand it at that moment. Stop listening to people's opinions of what's going on. Have faith in the journey. He has your back. When you're grateful, the Almighty opens doors no man can shut. Gratitude is key. Never fail to appreciate what He has blessed you with. Use the blessings in His cause and He will grant you more. Do your best in your worldly affairs and the hereafter. He will reward your effort. Feeling stuck in life? Do you keep going round in circles? Then you have to stop doing what you're doing and take stock of your life. Reevaluate your priorities and shift your mindset. Only then can you get out of the repetitive rut you're in. Seek your strength from the Almighty. Train yourself to look at your trials in a positive light. Struggle and strife are part and parcel of life. So take them in your stride when they arrive at your door. Remember, nothing lasts. So you can choose to view your trials with hope or you'll be swept away by your emotions. Don't be so hard on yourself. At the end of the day, remind yourself that you did the best you could today, and that is good enough. The Almighty is not looking for perfection. Far from it. As long as you're consistently trying and putting in real effort, that's all that matters. Almighty, grant ease to those who've lost loved ones. Surround them with good company who will offer words of comfort and solace during difficult times. Remove the heaviness from their hearts and let peace reign again. May we all be reunited with our loved ones in paradise. Ameen. Stop judging people. That's the Almighty's job, not yours. Instead, look at people with eyes of compassion and empathy. Remember, whatever happened to them could happen to you. The tables could turn. He will show you how quickly you could be in their same shoes. Stay humble always. Don't take people for granted. That's right. Don't. No matter how nice people are, remember everyone has limits. Don't cross that limit. Don't make unrealistic demands on others because one day, they will snap. Sooner or later, they will. Don't forget we're only human. Losing a loved one is not easy. Heartbreaks are not easy. They all take a toll on your physical and mental being. So be patient with yourself. Take time to heal, but remember that whatever the Almighty takes away from you, He will surely replace it with something even better. Words are powerful. They can make or break someone. So when you're conveying a message you heard to someone else, be careful not to distort the original meaning. Some do this intentionally to create mischief between people. Save yourself and stay away from such sinful acts.